this hairstyle is 2021. Lazy, cute, flirty, hot, bad bitch hairstyle. This hairstyle.
Are you part of me? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready, I will fly us out of it.
So our first look is going to be this, which is super easy. You just obviously we are not going to wear the crab headband. That was probably super lame. But I love this headband, it's so cute. Hey YouTube, what is up? My name is
Lipstick Jack.
Hey YouTube, what is up? My name is Pattiya, if you haven't been to this channel before. And today's video is a fun one because I love doing different hairstyles. I always have kind of worn different hairstyles, but I am lazy, so I will wear this a lot of the time. But this is boring. Like, there's nothing going on here. My hair is not dyed a cool color. It's not layered. It's all the same length. It is bland. It is boring. And that's fine. It's great. It's great having, like, I guess this, because it's fun to play with. So how do we spice up this look? Braids, hair accessories, Pinterest inspired, TikTok inspired, IG baddie inspired hairstyles. Everything I'm gonna show you is stuff I know I can do or I have already done before. But I will let you know what I haven't done and what I have done. That way it's like a first try for both of us and we can see if it's good or if it flops. We're gonna do them right now. So stick around if you saw any hairstyles you liked. First, we are going to start with some braids. Braids are great for the hair. They just add a little detail, a little spice. And braids are just fun, so let's just start with the first one. We're gonna do this one right here, super easy. I'm sure this is gonna turn out really cute and I'm sure any of us can do it. Disclaimer, I have a mirror right here that I'm gonna be doing the hairstyle in front of because I can't just do it with you guys. So if I'm like this, there's a mirror here. Just taking a section. I am not the best parting person. I literally just grab a random and I'm just gonna braid it. One braid is done, and honestly that took a while. That took way longer than I thought. Well, here's the hairstyle. I think it's super, super cute, but I thought this was gonna be easy and not tedious. This is kind of tedious and it took like 10 minutes. So if you're looking for a quick hairstyle, if you thought this one was gonna be super quick, it's not. Well, to me, it's not. Maybe it is to you. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes is too long for me. This one gets a, let's give it a B+. This is a B+. I will also say this hairstyle is not eyelash friendly. I find these hitting my eyelashes a lot, so that could be a little annoying. So if you're gonna wear this all day, just be prepared for that. All right, back to this boring look. So now we are going to do this look right here. Yes, this one I think is super, super cute. This is up my alley. I love this one. I've never done it, and so we're gonna try it out. Looks like you pull out some of these little hairs just randomly. I like doing things at random again. I just find it more messy and cute. Section this. I'll get a brush. I'm not that messy, I guess. I'll brush this. Sometimes I won't though, but you probably should. Just tie it off and then pull. Cute. Gotta do the other. Ah, so cute already. This hairstyle alone is a look in itself. I wear this so much. I wear it to a lot of festivals because I just think it's so cute and girly. You feel like a pop star. I don't know, it's just really fun and easy. But this time around we are doing that photo still, so we gotta braid these, which I have never done. Tying it off, I always leave like hair at the end. I did that in the last hairstyle too. I don't know why I do that. I think it's cuter. Guys, oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love this. This is an A+, hands down. Great inspo. I love it. How did I not like think of this? I had to really get inspo for this and I'm so happy that I did. Thank you girls for sharing and it's beautiful. I love it. Wow, so cute. I don't want to take it out. A+. This one's an A+. This one took the same amount of time as the last braid one, so, but this one's more worth it to me. I like this one more. This hairstyle gives me TikTok vibes. It just gives me cool, young, like I'm about to make a TikTok hairstyle. All right, hairstyle number 3. This one is kind of easy, I think it's gonna be, but we're doing this one. And I've seen Madison Beer wear it a lot and I thought it was so cute. I always wear my hair in pigtails, but I've never braided the pigtails. So that's what we're gonna do. I almost didn't wear a bra in this video, so I'm kind of glad that I did now. Damn it. They're kind of off, but I really don't want to like redo it. I mean, for video sakes, we're just gonna leave it as is, okay? Cute. I love this. I love this because it's lightweight. Now, when it's not in the braids, it's kind of heavy, like carrying all that hair around. But now this feels super light on my head and it's so cute and sleek. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. This one, A. Thank you, Madison Beer, for showing me this look and all the other girls on TikTok and, you know, people who just already knew this look before anything. It makes your head look snatched, snatched, snatched. I love this. I noticed the bigger the braid you're doing, the less time it takes. When we're doing the little ones, it takes a lot of time and that's not fun, but super quick. All right, hairstyle number 4 is this one right here. This one is so cute and I'm so excited for this one. I've seen this one the most, probably. I think this is the most trendiest one I've seen. This is 2021. This is the hairstyle you wear in 2021, okay? So what we're going to do is we already have this base set up because we took out those braids, which I thought were really cute. And we need a bunch of hair ties for this one because to make those bellows, girl. All right, let's start. I feel like this one either is gonna be really quick or it's gonna be really slow. Okay, I did this, but I'm gonna fluff them up, which we probably should have done with all the braids. What was I thinking? All the braids we've done, I didn't fluff them up. I kind of just did it and left it. But please fluff them up if you want your braids to look voluminous and big, and yeah, that'll make the hairstyle even cuter. I apologize for not doing that then. I will do it now because I just remembered. I think they need to be tighter. I tried taking the lazy way out by not tying the hair tie as many times as I could, but now I'm regretting it because they're not looking as bubbly. So I'm gonna redo it. Guys, cute. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I love that. This hairstyle, guys, easy to do, so cute and different. This is like if you want to be that unique girl, even though every girl's doing it in 2021, but like, you know, maybe in your circle. And this is so cute. A+. This one's an A+. I love this one just as much as that other one I rated A+. It's so bubbly. It's just, I love this. This is definitely a festival hairstyle too. I have seen it done at festivals, like even in person I've seen it and I just never thought anything of it. I thought it was cute, but like it's festival, so like everyone's hair is cute there. This is before like 3 a.m. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're back to the boring straight hair. Nothing's going on here, just bland. Honestly, this hairstyle is fine. It kind of looks like a Kim K hairstyle, like sleek, but I mess mine up. Like mine goes all over the place, or I tend to, yeah. Anyways, next we are leaving the braid category and we are now entering the accessory category. I love accessories in the hair. I always wore them in middle school. I used to wear a big bow on my head, flowers in my head. So we're gonna start off with something super simple. We're gonna start off with this, super easy. I actually do wear this hairstyle a lot, but I kind of change it up a bit. So you will need 2 clips, of course, and we're just gonna do hers. Boom. So far the quickest hairstyle that we did today. These hairstyles should be a lot quicker than the braids. But yeah, that's super simple, super cute. I'll do that. I have these fancy little star clips that I absolutely love. I got these at Forever 21. And what I like to do, I like to leave some hair out. And then I'll do a little thing like this. So this is super cute. I wore this to a festival as well, but my hair was crimped. Yes, the little stars are everything. So that's kind of like the same hairstyle, but with a little bit more detail. I call these detail. When you want to spice up a hair look even more, leave these out, or maybe leave a couple of them. Gives a little something. And the last thing that's like similar that you could do, it's honestly the same thing, but I like to take little butterfly clips. You've probably seen me wear these in videos a lot. I wear them a lot, and I'll do that. So same thing, kind of like with the star, but it's just more lifted. Or you could just take it without the hair and do that. So these are like two different looks. Like this isn't how I would, this looks like a 2-year-old did this. I would give that look, even though I just took it out, I'm gonna give it an A, because actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna give it a B. I'm gonna give it a B because it's easy, but like, yeah, you could do more, but it's easy and it still looks like you tried. I'll give it a B. Our next look is super cute, and I've never done this, but the first one kind of is similar to it. I would say this is like level 2 of the first one. It looks like this, and it's so cute and colorful and so smart and easy. So I do have butterfly clips. I don't have the little flowers. Flowers are cute though. I just have butterflies, and let's do it. So it kind of looks like she leaves some hair out, and then she like pinches. 1 butterfly, 2 butterfly, 3 butterfly. I guess the trick is, can I get them even? All right, well, here it is. I'm not in love. I do think it's cute. I think this is like festival. This isn't like everyday wear, I would say. I mean, you could if that's like your style. It's giving me more like 4th day of kindergarten. Like you didn't want to wear this on the 1st day, but the 4th day is fine. But yeah, I'm gonna give this one a C+, just because I wouldn't wear it every day, but I do think it's cute. I think it's a little bit loud for me. It's a little bit noisy up there. But for a festival, this would be like a B+. I would love this for a festival, especially if it coordinates with your outfit. Oh my god, that might boost it up to an A with your outfit. It kind of looks like I'm wearing like a flower crown. You know what's cute about it? I do look like a fairy though. I feel like I look like a little fairy. This next one I would wear in 2 ways, and I do wear this hairstyle in 2 ways, and I do love it, are these. They look really cute. So I do have a white headband right here. Mine's kind of like messed up. I might have to get a new one. This one is super cheap. Yep, we're just gonna. So the first hairstyle, this one. And I think she just, and like, I like when the middle part peeks out though. Honestly, I kind of look like a nun. I do. Maybe this hairstyle isn't as cute. I think it looks better with the things out. This is like a D right now. So hers is like on her forehead more, and the hair's over. Oh, okay. I see it now. I see it from her perspective. So this is how she's kind of wearing it. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan. I don't like it on my forehead. I feel like I look like a nun. But I think it's cute if like you're wearing like a yoga outfit or something. Like maybe you're wearing a juicy couture jumpsuit or something. Like I could see that with this, but I'm just gonna give this a C- right now. It looks so much better with the thingies out, so we're gonna do that now. It's always kind of hard to get them out. I don't know why. I feel like maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Yes, here we go. I wear this one a lot with certain outfits, especially a cute little white skirt. That's my favorite to wear this headband with. This is like a little white skirt. Like look at this look. How cute is this look? This is one of my favorite photos. I would give this one a B+, just because I'm not a huge headband person, but like I can do it. Alrighty guys, we're on look number 8. This is the last one. I'm tired. Like it's been a lot of that. and I'm tired. Luckily, these last two are so easy and we're gonna do them real quick. You will be using this accessory. These are claw clips. These are off of Shein. You can get them for like, they're so cheap. This is how much they are. And you've probably seen these a lot already in this hairstyle. This is like a really basic hairstyle. Let's use green. I'm feeling the green. It's matte, yes. Okay, I don't know why I'm so excited about that. But this one, honestly, I don't like this one on my hair texture. I don't think it looks good on me because it makes your hair look kind of like stiffer. I don't know. But if your hair is super silky smooth, this hairstyle is for you. I just took out two little thingies. Oh, this is what we're doing, but if I didn't mention. I don't even know really how to do it. I think you need like, you can't have crazy long hair for this either, I don't think. So you just, I feel like this one's super self-explanatory. I guess it doesn't look as bad as I thought on me. Cute, it's like, oh, I'm lazy and I'm going out to, what are you doing? Going to the park on a run? I don't know. I mean, it's cute, it's cute. Some people, they like, I'm gonna try it, like the photo more, they kind of clip it again. How did they do that? Like this? Like this? I don't know how to do it. I don't know. This is not a hairstyle I'm a huge fan of. I would give this one for myself a C, but for other girls, it looks like an A+ on some girls, like, you know, like the photo and stuff, but it's just not for me. But for me, this is how I do. This is what I love. This hairstyle, I'm already gonna tell you guys because I wear this one, is an A+. This hairstyle is an A+. The closest thing I could find to it is this photo. Sorry about that, the alarm spooked me. I had to handle something real quick and now we are back. Anyways, back to my favorite hairstyle. This is the most similar photo I could find to it. Like I said, this is already an A+. I've been wearing it a lot lately. It's very trendy and it's very similar to the one we did before this, but like more me and better for my hair. So I like to take out the two thingies again and with parts of the hair, however you like. If there's like a lot of like bubbles and stuff, I'll brush it real quick. Now I feel like it's gonna look better from the side. Okay, I'm gonna do a little twist. Honestly, it doesn't really matter how you do the twist. Clip the twist there and flip. Whew. Already looks so cute. This hairstyle is everything right now for me. I will literally throw up this hairstyle as I'm like leaving the door. That's how quick it is and that's why I like it so much. But it gives your hair oomph. You know what I'm talking about? Like oomph. It gets a little ooh, a little hoo-hoo, a little, you know, it's cute, it's fun, it's super 2021 to me. Like this hairstyle is 2021. Lazy, cute, flirty, hot, bad bitch hairstyle, this hairstyle. So this is A+, super cute. And then if you want to bring your hair up front, you can even make it a bit higher. This hairstyle is like the boy that you like texts you and he's like, oh, you want to like hang out or whatever, and you're like, oh, let me just like get ready real quick, like just super quick, and you show up in your little sweatpants, your little high-waisted sweatpants and your crop top with this. You just look super like lazy, but like you're still so cute. You are so cute still. You're hot. You're actually hot in this hairstyle. I don't know. That just might be me. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video now because I'm really tired and I'm hungry. If you liked these hairstyles, even just one hairstyle, if you guys liked one hairstyle out of the 8, like this video, give it a like. Why not? You know, it's free. Just do it. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, do that. Go ahead and subscribe. That's also free. Check out the vlog channel if you want to see more of my life behind the scenes. And comment below if you want to see any other videos. Do you want to see more hairstyles? There's a lot more I saved that I didn't do. A lot of more updo hairstyles, kind of like, you know, like this, you know, maybe something like this. I saved these, just didn't do it. We don't have the time for that right now. But let me know if you want to see that or anything else. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one next week. Bye.